guys, ngayon ang gagawin is magprito tayo ng isda. Ay! Ayan. Tuloy ako marunong. Oh, wow. Why not? Coming. Bigat. Ah, stop coming. Guys, it's not coming the fire. My gas. Okay, now it's okay. So, I'm waiting to come hot this one. So, and after that, you can put the fish. This one, fried fish. Fried fish ang ginagawa ko ngayon. So, ngayon, ilagay natin yung oven. Oh, wow. Oh. So, I need to put some little only, not too much. Because we are cooking only in 2 pieces, good for 1 meal. So, it's enough. And also this is the potato what I clean for. So, this fish. Waiting to hot. So it will come hot